Hi, today we are going to discuss about the continuation of CIS Data Foundation exam series. And please remember my words. June of this month is the last day for the applying a free CIS Data Foundation certification voucher. From July onwards, it's a payable, so it may be $300 to $350 cost will be there. So in the Indian currency, almost it will be 25 to 30,000 INR rupees. It will be there. And it's a mandatory prerequisite for the all CIS implementation certifications. So that's the importance of CIS Data Foundation is there. So as coming to the practice sessions, and I am providing the real examination questions with the answers. Let's start. Here the question is, an organization needs to maintain non-discoverable attributes such as warranty expiration dates for hardware CIs. These attributes are not updated by automated discovery tools. What method ensures these attributes are accurately maintained for all CIs? Option A, use a scheduled data import to update the attributes from an external source. Option B, use the CMDB reconciliation engine to update the attributes. Option C, create a new CA class specially for non-discoverable attributes. The exact answer is option A, use a scheduled data import to update the attributes from an external source. Next question. A CMDB configuration management team has successfully developed a healthy and trusted CMDB. They have integrated discoverable infrastructure data, accurately referenced non-discoverable data, such as change and support group information, and made the CMDB service aware using service mapping. Which field on a configuration item is automatically populated after a CA is selected that reference can appropriate support group? Option A, management group. Option B, assignment group. Option C, support group. Option D, approval group. Option E, change group. The exact answer is option B, assignment group. So assignment group is the correct option. Next question. According to the Common Service Data Model, CSDM, a server team is requesting a catalog item be created for infrastructure update request. Which role is involved in initiating the request and defining requirements? Option A, technology service owners. Option B, application service owner. Option C, enterprise architect. The correct answer is technology service owner. So the Apache Web Server identification rules is configured with the following criterion attributes. Class configuration file version yesterday, an Apache Web Server CA has discovered as part of service mapping. Today, the application owner upgraded Apache to a different version and retained discovery of the service. What will be happening in the CMDB? Option A new Apache Web Server CA is created. The Apache option B, the Apache Web Server CA will be reclassified as a Web Server CA. Option C, the existing Apache Web Server CA will be reconciled and version will be updated. Option D, a duplication error will occur. The correct answer is option A, new Apache Web Server CA is created. Next one. Where can an administration perform natural language queries? Option A, CMDB Health Dashboard. Option B, CMDB Workspace. Option C, CA Class Manager. Option D, CMDB Data Manager. Exact answer is option B, CMDB Workspace. I will explain with the demo. So can go with the natural language query, NLQ or CMDB Workspace. Here NLQ is there, natural language query. So it's under the CMDB Workspace. So it belongs to the CMDB Workspace. It having title, roles, category, and hint description, and modules it having. While creating, it will go with the new. That's about NLP. So it's under the CMDB Workspace. So where can an admin perform natural language queries? Option A, CMDB as dashboard. Option B, CMDB workspace. Option C, CA class manager. Option D, CMDB data manager. The exact answer is option B, CMDB workspace. Next one. A platform data owner wants to improve data quality with a few reconciliation rules across the 5 discovery sources that are being used. The data owner knows the best option to include CMDB 360 or multi-source CMDB to manage and monitor discovery sources. But the company currently does not have a license for item discovery that is required for CMDB 360 or multi-source CMDB. What can the data owner do in this case? Option A, the IRE reconciliation rules can use discovery sources regardless of CMDB 360 being enabled. Option B, CMDB 360 or multi-source is a platform product that can be used immediately. Option C, item discovery needs to be purchased to take advantage of the multi-source IRE rules. So option C is not correct in this here. The result is between the option A and option B. The exact answer is option A. The IRE reconciliation rules can be discovery sources regardless of CMDB 360 being enabled. Next one. A change manager wants to gain value from CSDM. How will the change management process benefit from CSDM? And we choose two options here. Option A, root the change dynamically. Option B, understand the impact of the change on services. Option C, determine the root cause of the change issue. Option D, identify blackout windows for the change. The exact answers are the option A and option B. Root the change dynamically and understand the impact of the change on services. Next question. A CMDB admin identifies duplicate CIS. One was created by manual import and other one was created by automated discovery. The discovered CA has the latest IP address while the manual imported CA has an accurate relationship to a critical business application. How does the admin use the duplicate CA remediation to resolve this issue? Option A, retain the discovered CA and delete the manually imported CA. Option B, retain the discovered CA but merge the relationship from manually imported CA. Option C, retain the manually imported CA and delete the discovered CA. Option D, merge the two CA automatically, returning all attributes from the discoverable CA. The exact answer is retain the discovered CA but merge the relationship from the manually imported CA. The correct answer is that. Next one. An asset manager wants to ensure that asset records and CA records are kept synchronized automatically. How does the manager do this? We have to choose any two options here. So option A, ensure one-to-one physical mapping between asset and CA. Option B, ensure that the business tool to update the asset fields on the change on the CA table is active. Option C, ensure that scheduled jobs are run during off-business hours to ensure that synchronization happens. Option D, ensures that the business tool is to update CA fields and change on the asset table is active. The correct answer is ensure the business tool to update asset fields to the change on the CA tables is active. Next one. CMDB class owners are receiving tasks under the My Work tab in the CMDB workspace. Which CMDB management tool is generating these tasks? Option A, CMDB as dashboard. Option B, CMD deduplication templates. Option C, CMDB data manager. The correct answer is option C, CMDB data manager. That's all about there, guys. So this is the next phase of the CIS data foundation classes and CIS data foundation examination series. So see you in the next video. Meanwhile, if you are facing any difficulties regarding or you facing any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to all. Thank you and wish you all the best.